Hello mga Lods, tuloy tayo mga Lods. So, sa royal family o royal priesthood family. So, there's no any worries once you attach as a royal family, as the son and daughters of God. There's no significant that magkaroon ka ng worries. No. What Jesus said in Matthew chapter 6 verse 34. So that is very deep. So you do not need to worry. Financial, there is always breakthrough prepared by God. But we need to follow step by step. Kung naproblema ka ng malaki ngayon, the Bible guaranteed speak unto us truthfully that there is no reasons to worry about your days and future in this land, even in your country. Saan mababasa niyan? Matthew 6:33, even Galatians chapter 3 verse 29, and there's a lot of verses that there's no reasons to doubt once we attach this kingdom of God to establish. So